Did you know that sneezing can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. When you sneeze, your body is actually trying to expel irritants from your nose or throat. It's a reflex that involves over 100 muscles working together. Interestingly, some people sneeze when they look at bright light, a phenomenon called photic sneeze reflex. And here's a fun twist. Sneezing is contagious. Just hearing someone sneeze can trigger your own sneeze. So next time you feel that tickle, remember it's your body's way of keeping you healthy and clearing the air.